The happiest double patty smash burger
good.
and fries
The
you ever
happiest.
had.
Not in that accent, please.
Not an accent.
Just in your normal. Just talk normal.
voice. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jesse.
And today we're making the happiest double patty smash burgers
burgers
and
at-
fries at Happy
home.
Shop at home. Where do we start,
Alright,
Jess?
first we'll start with the mayo. Dill,
How much dill?
all of it. Dijon mustard,
White vinegar?
white vinegar, yes. Pickle juice, dill aioli.
Perfection.
Boom.
Next, we're gonna cook the burgers.
So this is a 100-gram patty.
We'll be using 2 of those.
We're gonna pre-smash.
Okay,
We use the plates.
Okay.
Everybody's got a plate at home. If you don't have a burger smasher at home,
you have a plate.
You got
if
a
you have a
plate?
plate, you have a smasher.
that's right. All right, so we'll be cooking this burger in sandwich press. Now we're just gonna put our burgers on, and we're just gonna season our patties.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
nobody likes dull patties. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and then we're just gonna close
Cut
her
it
up.
down.
The good thing about using this sandwich press is all the excess grease and juices just run straight down into the drip tray. So it's pretty healthy.
Speaking of drip trays, should we get these
Ooh, we should
chips
definitely
in?
get these fries
Oh,
going.
wow. Chips?
Uh-huh. Basket open. Fries in.
Perfect. Extra crisp.
And after about 5 minutes, ooh, wow. All right, we're gonna cheese these up. And I'm just gonna move the lock to the melting position. And we can melt the cheese on top.
Oh,
All right, we're just gonna take our patties off. And I'm just gonna toast up these buns. Our buns are nice and toasted.
fantastico.
Fantastico.
Sauce, just enough to cover edge to edge.
And you want a little bit of sauce coming out of the bun as well. And next, onions.
Onions.
Then I'm gonna go on the bun. One of your beautiful tomatoes.
Lettuce.
Lettuce, pickles, and then top on.
And now we're just waiting on our chips.
Season it up.
Yeah, chips on. This is your happy at home double smash patty burger.
Approved?
Approved.
Uh-huh.
Approved.